Welcome back to my channel, guys. Want to take the time out to thank all my subscribers for all the support. Really appreciate each and every one of you guys. And in today's video, I'm making a Cajun chicken and shrimp pasta. It's perfect for a date night dinner or just a one-pot meal. So grab your ingredients, guys. Here I have a pot with some water boiling. I already add salt, and I'm going to add my pasta, and I'm going to allow it to cook until it's all dente, and then we drain and put aside. Moving right along, guys, here are the vegetables that I'm using: green bell pepper, red bell pepper, onion, garlic, and a carrot, and I'm going to cut those in fine strips and set aside for later. I have 2 chicken breasts I already washed, and I'm going to cut those in strips and set aside. I have some shrimp. I'm going to deshell them and set aside for later also. Here are the additional ingredients: parmesan cheese, heavy cream, white wine, complete season and garlic powder, Cajun season and chili powder, black pepper and salt, and olive oil. Right along, guys, here I have a pot over medium flame. I'm going to add the oil and allow it to hot. Then I'm going to add the chicken, the shrimp, and all the powder seasoning. And I'm going to allow it to cook for 4 minutes, then remove from pan. Here I'm adding the vegetables I already cut earlier, and I'm going to allow those to saute for just 2 minutes and then remove from pan also. Using the white wine to deglaze the pot, I'm going to add the heavy cream. Then I'm going to stir in the parmesan cheese. Add my vegetable back, then the pasta, then the chicken. And I'm going to stir to combine, and then we can enjoy. And here you have it, guys, the final product. Hope you guys find this recipe useful. And guys, thank you so much for watching. And as usual, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next time, guys. Bye.